So I'll show you exactly how call filtering would work on your iPhone. So if you open your recents like this, then click this icon here, you'll see calls here. Then you'll see an option manage filtering. So once you click on that, it will take you to the settings for unknown callers. And if you click, you'll see you go here. So here it's mainly you go to settings, then you go to apps. Then once you go to apps, you look for the phone app. There, it will just take you to the same place. So that's exactly where you go. So here there are two options. You can silence unknown callers such that you won't even hear your phone ring, or you can filter unknown callers so that they go to a different section altogether. So if I enable filter and this call filtering option, go back to recents, click on that icon, you'll see there's now a new option, unknown callers. So if you click on it, this is the unknown callers list. So it will show you a list of unknown callers. And unknown callers are numbers which are not saved in your phone, as well as numbers which you have not communicated with for quite some time. So they will show up here as unknown callers. So demonstrating how this actually works, that this obviously is an emergency contact to this phone. So this might not appear here because it has communicated with this phone for quite some time. However, if I call like this, one thing you see here is, so the call is being received here. I'll cancel this. So let's say this phone is not saved. It's not saved in my phone altogether, right? So this is the call, but if it's not saved in my phone, it will show up here at unknown callers, for example. So in that case, this would work in that case. So I'm sure in your case, you can see more unknown callers here or numbers which are not saved. They'll just show up as spam. And if you want to make them known, you can just mark individually each one of them to mark them as known. So let's say for this unknown caller, I want to silence the call. It shouldn't ring. You just go here and toggle silence unknown callers. Then if I repeat the same process, so I'll call again as an unknown caller this time, but you'll see that it won't ring here. So it's actually calling here. Then it will just say user busy like this. And you can see that latest 352, that's the latest call. It will not even ring from this side. So you can choose to just do that for every unknown caller that appears on your phone. However, this will also mean that numbers which are not saved on your phone will also feel the same wrath, so to speak. So you can use this quite wisely, unless if you want to just block everything out. So in essence, this is how call filtering would work on your iPhone.